Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I unbox and provide first impressions on all things tech. It's KBB Alpha here, and today I have yet another unboxing for you all. Here is the TN Shadow, an RGB gaming headset holder with included mouse bungee. Now you all know how I feel about the mouse bungees, not really needed, but let's go ahead and start the unboxing here. Again, I'm enlisting the assistance of my good friend Sir Kid Blue Boo to read to us the description that's on the box. Let's go ahead and get started. Take it away, Sir Kid Blue Boo.
The TN Shadow is not your ordinary headset holder. Not only does it have a 3.0 USB hub with 5 gigabits of transfer speeds and quick charging, it also has a mouse bungee that eliminates cable drag and clutter. Last but not least, your battle station will be upgraded to God tier. Due to the edgy RGB lighting and smart contouring to fit all gaming headsets, you can proudly boast about your battle station to your friends and live viewers while streaming.
Now your battle station comes with the included 5-foot-long USB Type-C cable for power, a warranty document, and the instruction manual as well, which we will go ahead and disregard as I'm sure most of you will do. Now, taking off the plastic covering produces a solidly built headset holder with that darn mouse bungee right in the middle. Some people have said it is possible to remove the mouse bungee, however, it will leave a big hole the size of your And now we are going to take a 360 look at the product here. To me, it looks similar to those Dyson fans, which would have been way cooler if it was a fan in the middle instead of the mouse bungee. So now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the base here. We have the USB ports, 3 to be exact. However, you will have access to 2 of these since one of them will be either connected to a power brick or to your PC. Here I'll go over the different RGB settings. You have the standard breathing setting, and then you have the 7 static RGB colors. Don't pay any mind to that dingle-dongle bungee holder in the middle there. If I could take it out without it looking weird, I would definitely do so. Alright guys, hope you liked what you saw today, and if you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, or even a comment on this product here. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.